Hi, my name is Ramon and today I'm going to show you how to replace a defective switch on a bench grinder. The first thing you want to do, make sure your grinder is unplugged for safety. Next, what you want to do is remove these two screws. Slide your switch out, unplug it, take the plate off, put your new switch on, plug it back in, and screw it back on. And that's it. And that is how you replace a defective switch on a perfectly working bench grinder. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at the 800 number or at www.palmgren.com.